How to view your grades in Canvas in a business information technology course. To succeed in the course, you must know how to see your current grade so that you can stay up to date and always know what your grade is. Canvas can inform you, but there are some things you need to know about how Canvas displays your grades so that you have an accurate information about your grade at all times. First, to view your grades, on the Canvas homepage, on the left in the navigation bar, click Grades to display your gradebook. You will see a list of grades and your score similar to what is shown here. When you have new grades on the homepage, you will see a number next to your grades like this. In the list of grades, first is the name of the assignment or discussion or test. Next is the due date for the assignment. Next is your score on the assignments. Next is the total number of points possible on the assignment. For example, here, the student earned 14 of the 19 points possible. Finally, in the last column, you will see an indication that your score was recorded, and you might also see that your instructor left a comment for you. You can click the comment to read it here. Always read these because often it will tell you how to correct your work and earn a higher score. The most important thing about viewing your grades in Canvas is that this percentage is not a true reflection of your current course grade. That's because by default, this checkbox is selected, which as you can see, calculates based only on graded assignments. So for example, this number could indicate that your course grade is 87%, a grade of B, but if you have numerous assignments that are past due, your grade could actually be F because this number is only calculating on graded assignments. So first things first, when you display your grade list, the first thing to do is display by assignment group. So click this arrow, on the list click Assignment Group, and then click Apply. Next, on the right, click the blue checkbox to uncheck this item. You need to see your grades calculated based on all assignments, not just the ones you have submitted. All assignments are in assignment groups, and within an assignment group, every item has the same due date. Systems like Canvas and MyLab, if used in your course, require due dates in order to organize themselves. In BIT courses, there is typically no penalty for assignments that are only a little late. We try to be lenient. However, late will still display next to your assignment if it's submitted after the due date. But usually this doesn't mean a penalty. It just means that within that system's calendar, the item is late. If your course uses MyLab, then you will see a 0 in your gradebook for late assignments. If you go ahead and work on and submit that assignment, which you should do, your instructor must take action to accept your late assignment. So be patient. You might not see your score on a late MyLab assignment for 24 hours. To understand your grade in the course at any point in time, first be sure to uncheck the blue box at the top and then scroll to the very end of your grade list to see the assignment groups as shown here. Within each assignment group, you will see the due date, and then you will see the number of points that you currently have out of the number possible. So your points, and then the possible points within that assignment group, here, by dividing 114 by 132, the resulting percentage for this group of assignments is 86.36%. Your goal is to get at least 90% in each assignment group to earn an A in the course. So let's say we are at this point in the course. Your grade is not 66.2% a D because that's the total for the entire course. By the percentages, you can see that this student has earned an A, 90% or more in some assignment groups, but has earned a D or F, 60% or less in other assignment groups. So at this point in the course, what is this student's grade? To answer that, it's time to do some quick math. Hey, we're in college now. We can do some quick math. Because we are only at this point in the class, we must compute the grade up to this point. The assignment groups below the red line indicate 0% because they are not yet due. So to compute your grade at this point in the course, add up the points you earned in each assignment group, then add up the possible points in each assignment group, then divide your points by the possible points to obtain your percentage grade. 90% or above is an A, 80% or above is a B, and so on. So in this example, all of the top numbers, the points earned, equal 820. All of the bottom numbers, points possible, equal 1016. 820 divided by 1016 equals 0.807 or 80%, which means this student has a B at this point in the course. So remember, this is not your grade because until you uncheck the blue box, Canvas is only computing a score based on graded assignments. If you are behind in turning in assignments, this is not your grade. Come on, you know when you are behind in assignments. Don't click grades and see 92% here and think that you have an A in the course when you know you are behind in assignments. Likewise, if you scroll to the bottom of your grades list until the course is over, this is not your grade either because some assignments are not yet due. So it's good to be savvy about how Canvas works and what your grade is at all times. In Canvas, always uncheck the blue box at the top, then scroll to the bottom of your grades list so you can see the assignment groups, the due dates of assignment groups, and your score in each group. Other professors in other parts of the college probably use a similar system, but it might not be exactly like this. As a college student, it's your challenge to understand the requirements and grading arrangement for each of your courses. That's how you succeed and get those A grades on your transcript.